50 years of liberty, through the storms and through the fight, we kept the flame of freedom bright. From the voices of the brave to every dream our people gave, a nation built on hope and pride, with hearts united side by side.